In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a cell to auto-change color based on its value in Google Sheets. This is a great way to visually manage your data and quickly identify key values or trends in your spreadsheet. Let's dive right in to get started. First off, you'll need to open your Google Sheet where you want to apply this formatting. If you don't have a specific spreadsheet in mind, you can create a new one by going to Google Sheets and hitting the blank option to start fresh. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to glance over your data. This will help you identify which cells you want to format. Next, we're going to start by highlighting the cells that you want to be formatted. Use your mouse to click and drag over these cells, or if you're dealing with larger data, you can use keyboard shortcuts by holding down the Shift key while you navigate with the arrow keys. Selecting the right cells ensures that you apply the color changes precisely where you want them. With your cells highlighted, look toward the top menu and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose Conditional Formatting. This is the tool we're going to use to set up our automatic color changes. Once you select Conditional Formatting, a side pane will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll be prompted to customize the formatting rules. We'll be creating a rule that changes the cell's color based on its value. In the conditional format rule section, you'll see a choice labeled Format Cells If. Click on this drop-down menu. For this demonstration, let's choose the greater than option, but depending on your needs, you might select options like less than, is between, or other available conditions. Once you've chosen greater than, you'll need to specify the threshold that triggers the color change. Enter the value in the input box that appears next. Now, to make the cells visually stand out, you'll select the formatting style. Under Formatting Style, click the paint bucket icon to choose a color. You can opt for a vibrant color like red or green for better visibility. Feel free to experiment with different hues to find the choice that best suits your spreadsheet's aesthetics and your preferences. Once you've configured the color, all that's left is to click Done. This saves your conditional formatting rule. Now go back to your spreadsheet and input a number in one of the highlighted cells. If the number you enter meets the condition set, for instance, if it's greater than the value you entered earlier, you'll immediately see the cell change color. And there you go. You've successfully set up a conditional formatting rule in Google Sheets to automatically change cell color based on value. This can significantly boost your efficiency by making critical data visually accessible at a glance. Thanks for following along, and feel free to like and subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and tricks.